Welcome to Small Bike Stuff. Today we are going to compare a Honda GROM to a Honda Wave. They've got the exact same engine. I've got a lot of history with both of these bikes and I'm keen to see what they're like side by side. I'm sure there won't be a dramatic amount of differences, but side by side, when you look at the bikes, there are a lot of visual differences. Will those visual differences and the way these bikes are built contribute to a massive difference in the way they perform and ride, or will they be relatively similar, just with different pros and cons, I guess, in their uses and their abilities. There he is. There's Kaz on his Honda GROM. I've also got Andrew behind me on the FX125, which we've done a few videos about. For me, it's really awesome to be able to go out and ride with two of us on these PGM FI powered 125 Hondas. It's going to be quite fun to see which bike is better than the other in its own way. But we haven't taken them to their limit yet. We're about to go on an old 100k per hour country road, and that's about the max speed of our bikes, so we'll just kind of go as fast as we can and see what happens. And there's Andrew. Hey Kaz, how many Ks have you done in your rebuild?
Almost 250, I think.
250?
Yeah.
Time for some wide open then.
It was wide open down there.
Oh. Felt the same speed. I was tapped as well. So the gearing is a bit different on these bikes. I'm finding that I can take off a bit faster than him at some points, but in certain gears he seems to pull away from me quite well. I'm yet to figure out exactly what those gears are. I'm not exactly sure what he's using when he's riding, but for example, I'm in third gear at the moment, and imagine he is too, and I'm wide open and I'm sure he is too, and I'm not catching up, so they've got to be pretty evenly matched. I just changed a second. I'm barely gaining. So yeah, interesting, that's for sure. I have a feeling that once they've got ahead of me, I'm not going to be able to catch up, but see if I can work some of this to my advantage. There's a lot of corners here, so it's whoever has the best line. On the FX125, obviously, that's a bit faster, so we'll kind of ignore that. But no, it's a nice bike, it's just not the same as this one. Third. No, we're in fourth. Awesome. Let's see what happens up this hill. Got a little bit of speed. Can I pass him? Yes, yes. I'm in fourth, rapidly losing speed. So after a small jaunt on a back road, we've found out that Kaz's GROM certainly does not have the same amount of torque as my Honda Wave. Now, I do have an aftermarket pipe on, but there's nothing that's been done tune-wise. It's the stock ECU. I really do not know if these self-learn in any way, shape or form. I don't really think they do, but if anyone knows, I'll be more than happy to find out. We're just following a trailer, and wow, it's a ute with a tray on the trailer. So it looks like a double ute, but it's not. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 motorcycles and 2 quads on there. It's pretty impressive. I just had my side stand. I took off and my side stand was down. That's stupid. Anyway, just trying to catch up to Kaz because I let him get ahead, but I've got to be careful on these corners also. Top speed. I am tucked. I'm catching up to him. past. That was fun. Honda GROMs are cool. Waves are cool. If you have a fuel injected 125cc Honda, it's cool. But you already knew that. You didn't need me to tell you.